Dear student, welcome back to our NIEVS home school. Hope you are stay safe and sound at home. This is Shiuly, Saha, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English National School, morning shift. Student, today I would like to take your home science class for the student of class 6. Student, today I will discuss lesson 4 and 5, chapter 4. So, student, let's get started our class. Student, you know, in previous class we have already finished lesson 1, 2 and 3, and today I will discuss lesson 4 and 5. Lesson 4, early childhood. Period extending from 2 years to 6 years of age is known as early childhood or first step of childhood. Student, the age between 2 years between 2 years and 6 years is called the early childhood. Another name of this age is preschool child or child prior to school age. It is such an age when the child does not begin to participate in informal education in a school, but gets prepared for going to school. Some children, of course, begin to go to school at this age and takes preparation for participating in informal education there. This period is also called as the age when a child spends his or her time in playing. This period is full of joy and happiness for a child. The world is a great wonder to him or her. He or she has thousands of queries regarding himself, herself, others and everything near about. He or she asks questions conscientiously on each subject. He or she likes to learn everything. This is an age of eagerness and curiosity. One should not resist such a behavior of a child. All his or her questions should be satisfied with easily understandable answers for making him or her interested in further learning. His or her intelligence will gradually be developed in this process. Student, you know that children of this age have different kinds of curiosity and eagerness to know about something, what is happening around them. Dialogue. Asif, I can count 100. Ryan, I can count 100,000. Asif, I can count 200,000. Ryan, I can count more than anyone in the world. The above dialogue is between two preschool children. They can talk much during this age. They remain self-centered during this period and so talk much about themselves. They get interested in saying everything about the topics they like, such as about the members of the families, about the things that are in their possession, etc. They start competition with their equal age counterparts. Their social development takes place in this way. Children of this age group like to imitate others. They like to play and act as the type of work performed in front of them, such as reading newspaper as is done by father, advising everyone as mother does, etc. At this age, expensive toys and other ingredients are not necessary for bringing about appropriate changes in children's lives. You know that, student, children of this age talk much about themselves. Okay, they are behave like self-centered. Okay, and you know that, student, their social development takes place in this way. So the duties of the members of the family. Learning through playing. Some preschool children. There is a picture. Follow it. Okay. The duties of the members of the family. So student, as a member of the family, we have some responsibilities and duties towards children. Talking with them politely, beautifully inside and outside the house. So we should talk with them politely and nicely. To be attentive to what they like to say. We should be attentive to what they like and what they say. Without getting annoyed, one needs to satisfy their questions with easily understandable answer. Okay, entertaining them with rhymes, songs and storytelling. To give them time and playing with them, making them acquainted with new topics, providing ideas. encourage them to see and do and get test new things. The more such works are done properly, the more this will be beneficial for appropriate development of children. So these things are very necessary, very essential for the sound development of the children. Lesson 5, middle childhood. Period extending from 6 to 10 or 11 years of age is referred to as middle childhood. A child's physical development takes place at a low pace in this period. So student, it is very important line. Okay, middle childhood of this age, children of this age takes place at a very low pace, that means slower. Okay, but the social life experiences changes amazingly. Most of the children of this age group start going to school. This is one of the major changes in their regular lives. At this age, the children are getting involved in games in groups. Boys and girls begin to play in their respective groups. Schooling and games make them interact within the respective groups of contemporaries. That means at the same age. At this age, necessary skills develop among the children. They are able to do their work themselves. They can take their meals, put on dresses, etc. in a short time with less effort. They are able to do various works inside and outside their house, side by side, those of their own. Such works include gardening, room making, cleaning, etc. At this age, children perform various works such as story and poetry writing and drawing pictures in schools, biking, swimming, etc. Through such participation in various works, they become active and industrious. Successes in new tasks enhance their self-confidence. So, we have to encourage them. They compete with their contemporaries in various ways. Successes achieved by them during this period of their age open up doors to future successes. Failures, on the other hand, create disappointment in them. These failures leading to their excessive anger, habits of throwing out or breaking various articles, hitting someone, etc. Dejection, crying due to minor reasons, disinterest in going to school, etc. Children become skilled and hardworking in middle childhood. Elders' appreciation helps children grow a sense of security. This leads them to develop within themselves an eagerness for behaving still more nicely and more also doing more good works. Children like appreciation and love. On the other hand, punishment from elders for any reason hurts their self-respect and lead to dejection in them. They lose incentive to do new works. It is not wise to get disheartened at the result of examination for any reason. This causes obstacle to success in future. Parents too become disappointed and angry under such circumstances and continue to rebuke their children. Negative utterance of the elder harm the children's self-confidence and cause obstacle to their success in future. In such a way, you need to be conscious of your younger's failures. The younger should be encouraged for regaining their self-confidence. So student, that's all for our today's topic. Student, there is no homework today. Stay safe and keep practicing at home. Thank you all of you. See you in next class.